Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Today I have an unboxing video for you. I'm going to be sharing the Fabfitfun summer add-ons. Now I don't have all of the add-ons, but they did send me quite a few to share with you, so I'm going to unbox them with you on camera. Today's video is sponsored by Fabfitfun. I always partner with them to share an unboxing of their seasonal subscription box, and the summer box is right around the corner, which is crazy, especially because I'm wearing like a winter sweater today. It's cold where I live. So I am so ready for like a touch of summer. So Fabfitfun is a seasonal subscription box. It comes out 4 times a year. Each box is $49.99, but the value of the box is always over $200. I love Fabfitfun because they include full-size products and they have a wide range of things. You can get beauty, fashion, wellness, and lifestyle products. Anyways, if you guys want to try it out, they gave me a coupon code. You can get $10 off your first box. I'll put it on the screen for you guys and in the description box below so you can use it if you are interested. So if you are a Fabfitfun member, you get the chance to shop their add-on sale, which is essentially a really big flash sale, and a bunch of products are super heavily discounted. I'll put all of the dates and the info in the description box below, but they offer a bunch of products. They do typically sell out because they have some really good deals and a lot of the products are in like high demand. So if you are interested in shopping the sale, I would definitely recommend jumping on it and grabbing the products you're interested in trying. If you're not a member and you want to shop the sale or you see something you're interested in trying, you can shop the sale if you sign up, and then you will get the summer box as your first box, and these add-ons will ship with your summer box. And if you guys are already subscribed but you want early access, you can upgrade to an annual subscription. So let's jump into it. We'll unbox the products together and I'll give you guys an idea of what's available. Okay, the first thing in here is by the brand The Organic Pharmacy, and it is a very large brush. This actually looks like it's removable. Let me try to take it off. Oh. That was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. I like braced myself because I thought it was going to be difficult, but you can use this on its own or you can attach it to the handle to reach your back. I know they say dry brushing is so good for you and I keep meaning to do it. I got into it for a little while, but I have not made it part of my daily routine. So I do need to do that, but even if you're just looking for an exfoliator, this might be something that comes in handy, especially because it has a nice handle. The next thing in here is by the brand Wander Beauty. It is their Take Flight Skincare Discovery Kit. I've actually tried a few of their products and I've enjoyed them. I think that I just got one of their skincare masks fairly recently, but this comes with a few different products. So you do get these eye patches, and then you get a few skincare products. So you get the Extended Stay Hydrating Mask, the Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask, and then also the Glow Ahead Face Oil. I personally think this is always a great time to take advantage of skincare deals because a lot of skincare products are very expensive, and typically during the add-on sale, they do have a bunch of skincare products available. So this is one worth checking out if you do like the brand. The next thing in here is by the brand Busy Beauty. I've never heard of this brand, but their packaging is really cute. So this one is their Showerless Shampoo, or I'm assuming dry shampoo. It says no water needed, clean and add volume. So if you're looking for a good dry shampoo, this might be a great option. This one's only 3 ounces, so it might be great for traveling or throwing in your gym bag or your purse or keeping in your locker at school. But there's also another product by the brand Busy Beauty. This one is their Showerless Conditioner. Oh, perfect. So you can grab them together, grab them separately. This one is supposed to smooth, detangle, and defrizz. I've never tried like a dry conditioner. I love dry shampoo and I use it all the time, but I feel like when I use a dry shampoo, sometimes my hair feels a little bit dry that day, so it would be nice to have a dry conditioner, so I will definitely try this one out. This next product came bundled together, so I'm assuming it's going to be available as a trio on the website during the sale. So this is by the brand Dermovia, and these are, oh, they're like those lace masks. So essentially they are facial masks and they are all different. So this one is the Rejuvenating Collagen Mask. It's supposed to tighten and revive and it's great for dry or aging skin. And then this one is the Hydrating Rose Water Mask. This one moisturizes and fights aging and it's great for all skin types. And then the last one is the Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. So it's basically an intense exfoliating facial mask. So again, all 3 of these products came bundled together, so I'm assuming you can probably get them as like a pack on the website for a discounted price. The next product is a little lip trio, so it comes with 3 different products. These are Plump and Nourish Lip Plumper and Lipsticks. Oh, okay, so it comes with 2 ultra rich lip plumping lipsticks. You get a really pretty nude and a little bit more of like well, they call it burnt sienna, which I feel like is the perfect description. And then you also get the lip plumping voluminizer, which is like a clear product. So it looks like these are supposed to give your lips a really like plump, voluminous effect without burning or stinging. And basically, you can use them alone if you want like more of a matte finish, or you can layer the clear one on top for a glossy finish, or use the clear one alone. There is a set of brushes from Crown, so if you guys are needing a new brush set or you just want some new brushes, this might be a great. There are a ton of brushes in here. I started unrolling that and I was like, why does it keep going? There are so many brushes. So this probably has everything that you would need, from face brushes to eye brushes. I've tried some of their brushes and I do really enjoy them, but if you are in need of an entire set, this might be a great deal for you. I will definitely include this in a giveaway because I do have quite a few brushes, and I'll include a lot of these products so you guys can, you know, try them out too. But if you are looking to purchase something during the sale, this might be a great option. There is a natural deodorant by the brand Curie. I've never heard of this brand, but I do really like trying new natural deodorants. I'm not too picky when it comes to natural deodorant. I know a lot of people are like always on the hunt for their perfect natural deodorant, but I do love trying new ones. This one is in the scent white tea, and it smells really, really good. It smells very fresh, very lightweight. So the main ingredient is coconut oil. It smells really, really good. I am definitely going to try it out. I have like 5 different natural deodorants in my bathroom right now because I'm always just testing them out. This is the SPF RX C15 Plus. It is an antioxidant serum. Again, I think this is a great time to try new skincare products because they are always available for a really great price. And this one is 15% vitamin C. So if you've been looking for a vitamin C serum, but you don't want to spend a fortune, this might be the time to grab it. This is a little phone pocket. So you can, you stick it to the back of your phone. I've seen these on phones before. So essentially you can like peel it off, stick it on the back of your phone, and then use it to carry like your ID. You can use it to carry money. I always lose my phone, so honestly, that's probably not the ideal option for me, but you can fit some products in there. If you're like a college student or a high school student with an ID, that might be ideal for you. So that's going to be available. This one is in like a cute gold shade. There are quite a few Ahava products. So this one is the Deadsea Water Mineral Hand Cream. I actually have this one and I love it. Their hand creams are so nice because they're not overly moisturizing, but they leave your hands feeling really soft and they smell really good. So this is going to be available. They're also going to have the Deadsea Water Mineral Foot Cream available. I don't think I've actually tried their foot cream. I've only tried their hand creams, but if it's anything like the hand creams, then this might be something worth picking up too. This giant bottle of the Deadsea Water Mineral Shower Gel is going to be available as well. Again, I haven't tried the shower gel, but I do really enjoy all of the Ahava products that I've tried. So this might be worth checking out, especially because it is so large and it's going to be available for a discounted price. Okay, so this is the Coco. Oh my gosh, I have such a hard time with French words. I never took French in high school or college or anything like that, so I have no idea how to even pronounce like basic French words. But this is the Makeup Assassin. I'll do a close-up shot for you guys so you can see what it's called. This is a makeup remover. So you use a pea-sized amount and then you just kind of massage it over your face and it's supposed to melt away all of your makeup. Okay, the next thing in here, this looks like Korean skincare. This is by the brand Urban Eco and it is a toner. This is like the cutest skincare product that I've ever seen, but it's supposed to strengthen your skin's barrier by moisturizing and smoothing, and it has a dual moisture function. So it has an essential water layer and a whipping cream layer. So it says mix it together until the 2 layers are mixed well. And yeah, it's definitely a Korean skincare product. I hear so many good things about Korean skincare. One of these days, like, I'm going to do my research, purchase products, and try them out. I have a few more products. This one is by the brand Urban Skin RX. It is a 3-in-1 treatment. So it's supposed to cleanse, exfoliate, and then you can also use it as a mask. It doesn't really have a scent. It's just like a solid product. So let me read the instructions. It says massage onto your face and rinse off, or you can allow the lather to remain onto your skin for up to 3 minutes as a mask. It does come with these little sponges, and you're supposed to use these little sponges to apply it and then massage it onto your face. So that sounds interesting. I love trying new skincare products and I haven't heard of this brand, so this could be a really fun product to use. There is going to be a luxurious rose quartz facial roller available. Do you guys use these? I hear really good things about them. Essentially, you can use them on their own to kind of stimulate like blood flow, or you can use it with like your skincare to massage it deeper into the skin. But I don't know, they're really pretty. I've never used one, so I'm kind of curious to try it out and see if it works. And then finishing up with a few products from Dr. Brandt. I've tried Dr. Brandt products in the past and they're so good. I use cruelty-free products. Unfortunately, they are not cruelty-free, so I don't purchase from the brand, but they will have some available. The Transforming Pearl Serum is supposed to help diminish the look of wrinkles and also revitalize the skin. This is seriously such a beautiful product, so they recommend using it in the morning and at night. If you guys have tried this product, let us know how you like it or if you've seen results with it. They will also be offering the Oxygen Facial. This is a flash recovery mask. It's supposed to revitalize, hydrate, and boost radiance. So it says apply a thin layer on clean, damp skin, but do not rub it in, and then leave on for 3 to 5 minutes, and then rinse thoroughly. So that's what this one looks like. And the last product is the Antioxidant Water Booster. It is a triple power ingestible water supplement. So this is something that you actually ingest. It's made with green tea, white tea, and grapeseed extract, and what is it supposed to do? So it is a supplement, but it says that it may support the body's natural detoxification, and it also supports the body's defense against the effects of free radicals. So if you are interested in trying it out, that will be available along with all of the other products that I mentioned in today's video. I hope that I didn't go too quickly. A lot of times when I do these videos, I have more input because I've really tried out a lot of the products and a lot of the brands, but I actually haven't tried a lot of these brands. And sometimes when I'm personally watching these videos or looking for like a blog post on the add-ons, I kind of just want to see the products without hearing like a super long explanation. So I thought that's what I would do in today's video since I really haven't tried out a lot of them. But if you guys have tried out these products, let us know how you like them. And again, if you are interested in signing up for Fabfitfun, don't forget to use the code they gave me that I'll put in the description box below. But I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon with a new video. Bye.